खबर विस्तारान कॅबिनेट सल्लागार समितीन लीज एरियाच्या भायर आशिल्ल्या ओराचे ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनाक परवानगी दिवपाचें थारायला. ज्या ओराची रॉयल्टी पे केल्या पयलींच पे केल्ली आसा, सरकार ह्या संदर्भात ॲडव्होकेट जनरल हांच्या कडेन सल्ला मसलत करतले म्हणून उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Decided that all ore for which royalty is paid has to be transported. Now whether it should be jetty specific or not, they'll go to the High Court and get a necessary clarification.
So it is not exactly like whether it is outside the lease area or
at the
where jetty.
moment, parties going to the Supreme Court, they will be allowed.
But what is the opinion of the government? Is it outside the lease area?
Government has to consult the AG and then form the opinion. Government doesn't mean that CSU reply his own mind and do it.
So government will consult the AG.
आम्ही असे डिसाईड केला की ज्यो मायनिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटीज कंप्लीट बंद जाल्ल्यो, ज्या मटेरियलाक रॉयल्टी पे केल्या आणि जे मटेरियल रॉयल्टी पे करून लीज जे आसा ताजे भायर आसा ते सगळे शिफ्ट करपाचे आनी बार्जिनी व्हरून तांचो हे चालू करता.
So the whole dam खंयचो केला पळय तो अलाउड करपाचो.
रॉयल्टी पेड मटेरियल इज टू बी outside lease area.
Outside lease area royalty.
Outside lease area royalty paid जी आसा ते लिफ्ट करपाचें.
लिफ्ट करपाचें. ओके.
तीन पार्टीज कोर्टान गेले, वेदांता, फोमेंतो आणि आय थिंक वेदांता, फोमेंतो सगळे दे हॅव गॉट रिलीफ. Relief is they had paid royalty and removed the ore from the lease area. And that ore was stopped by High Court. The relief that they got in the Supreme Court is that ore can be transported. So our decision is only to follow the Supreme Court order and allow that transportation. Mines Department to release it.
So the ore which is outside the lease area.
Yes, ore which is outside the lease area and for which royalty has been paid will now be allowed to be transported. Other parties which had not approached the court but who have paid royalty.
Correct.
And whose ore is outside the lease area, benefit of this judgment should also go to them. So what the CAC meant.
So like this, how many tons, any identification?
We have a picture. I can tell.